Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where nature's sweetest gifts are transformed through engineering into the delicious fig jam we love. It all begins in the sun-drenched orchards, where fig trees produce their delicate fruits, bursting with natural sugars and complex flavors. Harvesting requires a gentle touch because figs are incredibly fragile and must be picked at the absolute peak of ripeness. Once gathered, these precious crates are loaded onto transport vehicles, ensuring they reach the processing facility while still perfectly fresh. Speed is essential in this industry, as the time between harvest and processing dictates the final quality of the jam. Upon arrival at the Precision Craft Factory, the cargo enters a controlled environment designed to maintain hygiene and food safety standards. Skilled operators use forklifts to unload the heavy pallets, moving tons of raw ingredients into the initial staging area efficiently. Before
Batch
entering the
7
production
approval
line,
confirmed.
quality control
Moving
experts
to the next
inspect
sample.
random samples to ensure only the best fruits make the cut. Approved batches are introduced to the manufacturing line, poured into large hoppers that feed the continuous flow of the factory. Vibrating conveyor belts spread the fruit evenly, ensuring that each individual fig will receive thorough cleaning in the next stage. The cleaning phase is critical, utilizing high-pressure water systems to remove field dust and debris without damaging the fruit skin. Soft rotating brushes gently scrub the surface of every fig, working in tandem with the water jets for maximum hygiene. Impurities are washed away instantly, leaving the fruit pristine and ready for the rigorous selection process that lies ahead. Powerful air blowers remove excess moisture from the fruit surface, preventing water dilution during the upcoming cooking and processing stages. Despite automation, human eyes remain essential here, as workers manually remove any imperfect fruits that the machines might have missed. From above, the production line looks like a river of purple, flowing steadily towards the preparation zone with mesmerizing mechanical rhythm. Precision blades automatically trim the tough stems from each fig, a crucial step to ensure a smooth texture in the jam. The waste is separated immediately, collected for composting, while the prime fruit meat continues its journey into the processing heart. The figs enter the crushing station, where they are chopped into smaller chunks to facilitate faster cooking and better sugar absorption. This process exposes the inner flesh and those characteristic tiny seeds that give fig jam its unique and beloved texture. Pumps transfer the fruit pulp through a network of sanitary pipes, delivering tons of ingredients to the massive cooking vats. We have arrived at the heart of the factory, where rows of industrial kettles wait to perform the magic of thermal processing. These double-jacketed steam kettles are designed to distribute heat evenly, ensuring the fruit cooks without burning at the bottom. The fruit pulp is pumped into the vessel, filling the cavernous space with the raw material that will soon become sweet jam. Operators input precise parameters into the control system, dictating the exact thermal profile required to break down the fruit fibers. Slow-moving agitators begin to turn, ensuring that every particle of fruit is exposed to the heat radiating from the kettle walls. As the temperature climbs, the fruit begins to soften, releasing its natural juices and creating a bubbling, aromatic base mixture. Sugar is added in precise quantities, acting not just as a sweetener, but as a vital preservative and thickening agent. The agitators work harder now to dissolve the sugar crystals completely, merging them with the fruit acids to prevent future crystallization. Technicians monitor the brix level, which measures the sugar content, ensuring the jam achieves the perfect balance of sweetness and stability. Pectin, a natural gelling agent found in fruits, is supplemented here to help the jam achieve that perfect spreadable consistency. Citric acid is introduced to balance the sweetness with a tart edge and to brighten the color of the final product. The mixture is now in a rolling boil, driving off excess water and concentrating the flavors into a rich, intense profile. You can see the chemical transformation happening visually as the vibrant reds deepen into the characteristic dark purple of cooked figs. Efficient ventilation systems remove the steam, allowing the jam to reduce and thicken without creating humidity problems in the factory. Advanced sensors track the viscosity in real time, signaling the exact moment when the jam has reached its optimal thickness. Once the cooking cycle is complete, The bottom valves open, allowing the hot, finished jam to flow into the holding tanks. A final safety filtration step removes any remaining hard particles or stems, ensuring a smooth and pleasant eating experience. The jam is stored temporarily in heated holding tanks, maintaining the perfect temperature required for the automated filling process ahead. Meanwhile, in the packaging section, thousands of empty glass jars are depalletized and prepared to receive the sweet product. Robotic arms handle the glass with incredible speed and precision, organizing the jars into a single file line for processing. Before filling, every jar is inverted and air rinsed to ensure there is absolutely no dust or debris inside the container. Sterilization is paramount. The jars pass through a sanitizing tunnel to guarantee a completely sterile environment for the food. Now clean and sterile, the jars approach the filling station, spaced perfectly by timing screws to align with the nozzles. High-speed filling nozzles descend, dispensing the exact amount of hot jam into each jar with milliliter-level precision. The machinery is calibrated to prevent drips or spills, keeping the rim of the jar clean for a perfect seal. Speed is vital here. The jars must be sealed while the jam is still hot to create a natural vacuum effect. Magnetic rails guide the metal lids into position, ensuring a steady supply of caps ready to meet the passing jars. The capping machine applies precise torque to twist the lid shut, securing the contents and ensuring the package is airtight. Sensors immediately verify the integrity of the seal, rejecting any jar that hasn't achieved the proper vacuum closure. The jars enter a cooling tunnel where water sprays gradually lower the temperature, preventing the jam from overcooking in the glass. This gradual cooling process is essential to prevent thermal shock, which could cause the glass jars to crack or shatter. Emerging from the tunnel, the product is now stable and cool, but the wet jars must be dried before labeling. Powerful air knives strip away every drop of moisture, leaving the glass surface perfectly dry and ready for the adhesive labels. The labeling machine operates at high speed, applying the brand's identity to each jar with perfect alignment and no bubbles. Detailed labels provide consumers with nutritional information and showcase the premium quality of the fruit preserved inside the glass. Laser coaters permanently etch the production date and batch number onto the lid, providing traceability for every single unit sold. Computer vision systems scan every label for alignment and defects, ensuring that only visually perfect products leave the factory floor. The jars are now grouped into specific configurations, prepared for the secondary packaging stage where they will be wrapped together. Shrink wrap machines bundle the jars into secure packs, making them easier to handle and protecting them during transit to retailers. Robotic packers load the bundles into corrugated cardboard cases, a final layer of protection for the journey to supermarket shelves. Automatic case sealers fold the flaps and apply heavy-duty tape, securing the boxes efficiently without the need for manual labor. Each case is printed with logistical data, allowing warehouse management systems to track the inventory accurately throughout the supply chain. The finished cases travel to the palletizing zone, where the final step of the manufacturing process takes place before storage. Heavy-duty robots stack the cases onto wooden pallets in an interlocking pattern, ensuring stability for the heavy loads. Stretch wrappers secure the entire load with plastic film, locking the boxes in place to prevent shifting during truck transport. Forklifts transfer the finished pallets into the warehouse, where they are stored in a temperature-controlled environment awaiting distribution. This massive inventory represents the culmination of hard work, agricultural excellence, and precision engineering coming together in one facility. Back in the lab, a final sensory evaluation is conducted. The sound of the vacuum seal popping confirms a safe closure. The texture is examined closely. It should be spreadable yet thick, with visible chunks of fruit suspended in the gel. Taste is the ultimate test. The flavor profile must perfectly capture the essence of the fresh figs we saw earlier. As the production shift ends, a rigorous sanitation protocol begins, preparing the machinery and facility for the next day's operations. Automated cleaning systems wash the internal surfaces of the tanks and pipes, ensuring no residue is left to spoil future batches. But the true journey of this product ends not in the warehouse, but in the homes of consumers around the world. The rich, dark jam spreads smoothly over warm toast, bringing the sunshine of the orchard directly to the breakfast table. Every bite offers a delightful crunch from the seeds and a burst of natural sweetness that only real fruit can provide. This simple jar represents a complex chain of events, from careful farming to sophisticated manufacturing, all working in perfect harmony. It is a product that brings joy to families, combining the traditional taste of homemade jam with the safety of modern industry. Looking back, we can appreciate the incredible journey the fruit has taken, traveling miles and undergoing transformation to reach you. At Precision Craft Factory, the work never stops. Engineers are constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Sustainability is key. Advanced water treatment systems ensure that the factory returns clean water back to the environment, minimizing its footprint. Renewable energy sources like these solar panels help power the heavy machinery, making the production process as green as possible. Even the organic waste finds a purpose, returned to the earth as compost to nourish the next generation of fig trees. This circular economy strengthens the bond between the industrial processor and the agricultural community, ensuring a sustainable future for both. While today we focused on figs, this versatile facility is capable of processing a wide variety of fruits throughout the seasons. The modular design of the machinery allows for rapid changeovers, enabling the factory to adapt quickly to market demands. From the central control room, every heartbeat of the factory is monitored, ensuring safety, efficiency, and quality around the clock. The science of preservation allows us to capture the fleeting freshness of the harvest and keep it safe for years. These products are not just for the local market. They travel across oceans to bring the taste of quality to the world. Global logistics networks ensure that whether you are in Tokyo, New York, or London, you can enjoy the same high quality. There is something truly satisfying about watching the rhythmic precision of modern manufacturing, where chaos is tamed into perfect order. It is a symphony of steel and sensors, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to feed a growing population. But behind the machines are the people, the dedicated, skilled workers who ensure that technology serves the purpose of quality. Beyond breakfast, this product inspires chefs and home cooks alike to create culinary masterpieces, sweet and savory desserts. Its versatility shines when paired with fine cheeses, creating a sophisticated balance of flavors perfect for any social gathering. So the next time you reach for a jar on the shelf, remember the incredible process that made it possible. From the delicate fruit on the branch to the sealed jar in your hand, the integrity of the ingredient is preserved. As the sun sets, the factory continues its hum, a beacon of productivity, ensuring that the shelves are never empty. The supply chain remains active through the night, a silent river of commerce flowing to every corner of the market. We have witnessed washing, crushing, cooking, filling, and sealing, a complete life cycle of industrial food production in just a few minutes. It is a process that combines the raw, chaotic beauty of nature with the structured, repeatable perfection of science. Precision Craft Factory stands for transparency and quality, inviting you to see exactly what goes into the food you eat. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of manufacturing, please like this video and share it with your friends. Comment below and let us know which industrial process or food factory you would like us to explore in our next episode. Thank you for watching this journey. Subscribe to Precision Craft Factory for more industrial insights. Enjoy your perfect jar of jam.